Hi, I'm Alex. I'm here in Binzhou in Shandong. If you want to modify your Jeep, SUV or pickup, please come with me. Let's go. Hey, Andy.
I'm very glad to meet you.
I'm Ali. Nice to see you.
Yes.
Here we are. We've arrived. Excellent. Hi, Andy. We've arrived.
Let me introduce for our production. This is the front bumpers.
Yeah, I
we
like
have
this.
more than 100 cans of.
Many of those. That's good.
Yes. This is
fenders.
Fender flares.
Yeah, fender flares. They're nice.
Yeah. This is the sidebar.
Nice styles.
Yes. This is the rear bumpers with tire. Rear bumper with tire.
Okay, nice bumpers.
Yes. And
Very
this
nice.
is roof rack.
Okay, very cool. I like those.
Yes. All of this made by ourselves. And we have a lot of other productions in our showroom. And let's go inside and let me introduce for you, right? Okay?
Excellent. Let's do that.
Okay, let's go. This is a very good quality, mainly for American market for Jeep Ranger.
Yeah, I can see that. Very sturdy. Yeah.
Okay, and let me introduce our other productions.
Oh, you've got stainless steel.
Yes, this is stainless steel sidebars and rear guards for the many different kinds of cars for many different kinds of countries. Yes.
Yeah.
Our market is mainly for South America, North America, Australia, Middle East of Asia.
So you deliver worldwide.
Yes, and let me introduce for you our engineer team.
Okay.
Yes, our engineer team have 10 at least 10 engineers and 4 QC, the quality control.
Very impressive. Now we've got all the styles and concepts on the computer. Let's see them put it into reality. Andy,
Yes.
let's go.
Perfect. Let's go to see our workshop. Come on, let's go.
Let's do it.
Let me introduce our tension test machine. Every type front bumper and rear bumper, we after the sample we take the tension test.
Okay,
Yes.
this is a prototype.
Yes.
Okay. And you test welding
Yes.
and you test strength of weights.
Yes.
Okay.
We make sure the 5 tension test to make sure the bumper safety.
All right.
Okay.
So everything's approved.
This is a very important test. Of
course.
Let me show you another important test near roof.
Okay, let's do that.
Okay, let me introduce for you the soft spring test machine. Every piece hot coating production, we must take the salt spray test.
Salt spray testing.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. And how long does it last for?
More than 1,000 hours. Yes,
They protect the rust.
Yes. Well, 5 years natural environment. 5 years.
Good, that's very good.
Yes. Okay. Alice, let me show you every process. Okay, the first one. This is our raw material, the plate, and this is the list cutting. The first step.
Okay, cutting area.
After list cutting, the second step is the bending machine.
Okay.
Yes.
Bending the metals.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. And after that, go there to the welding. Okay, let's have a look at it. Okay, show you. this list cutting. They have two. Okay.
Very good.
Yeah, we look at the vending machine. We have three vending machines, auto vending machines.
And how many pieces of materials do you produce a day on average?
Yes, it's according. Depends. Okay. More than 1,000 pieces. Okay, that's good.
Very good,
Next
very
step.
good.
Okay, and let me introduce the welding process. Okay. After bending, we take this welding. This it's finished welding. Okay, and after this, we will be polish. Okay, let's go.
Polishing.
Yes, polish. This is for the polish. Yeah. After polish, we transfer next process. Over there. Let's go. Let's go. After the list cutting, bending, welding, polish, let me show you the short blasting and e-coating and hard coating line.
Okay, let's do that.
Okay. Yes, this is the e-coating line. This is after e-coating and the part coating finished. Okay, after this process, we transfer to the package.
Packaging.
Yes.
Okay. Wow, I've just finished the factory tour. It was wonderful. And just seen all their wonderful modifications. And if you want to see more of these videos, please subscribe to us. Okay, bye-bye.